Hello guys, welcome to this video. My name is Attila, and if you don't know me, I am the owner of this group, and I will show you how you can make over $10,000 per month, the best free ways in my opinion. Just to make sure that I know what I'm talking about, I have scaled my own agency to over 5 figures in the beginning of this year, and I have made over $1 million for companies that I have worked with. Alright, so let's talk about the first way, which is Facebook ads and lead nurturing. So yeah, how to make $10,000 with Facebook ads and lead nurturing. So what should you be your offer? Your offer should be an ad funnel and a landing page with GoHighLevel. You can build it out and you can customize it, or even make a template for like construction companies or tree removing companies or cleaning businesses. It is very important that you give them SMS and email automation. When I have started using this, the conversion of the company went up like by 20% because the leads who came in got nurtured and didn't get lost in the noise. Booking calendar. This is also really great because you can get appointments to smaller companies who doesn't have sales teams. But if a company has a sales team, you should give them leads, and they are doing it in-house, calling the leads and booking in to every appointment. Also, you give them a pipeline and lead tracking, which is really great because they can see it in real time, where the leads are flowing. Have they booked an appointment? Have they got a quote? Have they got the job done already? And also you are giving them a reporting dashboard, which is really important also for companies, because a lot of companies are boomers and they are still writing on pen and paper, and you give them a whole system, a whole dashboard that they can see and track their monthly progress. Alright, and how can you make $10,000 with this model? You either get $1,500 per client for 7 clients, which is over $10,000 per month, or you can basically do $2,000 and you need 5 clients. And I recommend using a setup fee when using this model. So you can do like $1,000 or $2,000 setup fee, and you can even, if you get better at service delivery, you can get a pay-per-results model. For example, you will get $200 per appointment for a roofing company, which is really great because if you get 20 appointments a month, you can ask for $4,000, which is much more than a $2,000 retainer or $1,500 retainer. Right, let's talk about the next model, who you can make $10,000 with selling smart websites. GoHighLevel lets you build websites in a second, and I also have templates. If you are my affiliate and you have signed up with my link, I actually give out 14 templates. As you can see, you have 14 snapshots here: agency snapshot, pest control, personal trainer, carpet cleaner, and many more. Its value is well over $2,500, and if you sign up with my link for GoHighLevel, I give it out for absolutely free. Right, so what's the offer with the smart website model? It is a modern, fast and mobile optimized website. This is very vital because a lot of websites are not optimized for mobile, and with GoHighLevel you can do great SEO and also be optimized for every device. Booking and contact system. This is also really important. You can collect leads from the websites, and you can see them in the context menu. You can add them to workflows, you can call them, you can see their information, and the booking is understandable very well. Automated follow-ups, yeah, if somebody doesn't have the time to call the new leads, you can actually follow up with them automatically. For example, you can set up booking automated follow-up, or yeah, you can add them to like a walk basic workflow where you send them like a promotion, or you can give them a birthday present, for example, 10% off for a restaurant. And yeah, right, the next up is an AI chatbot. An AI chatbot is really great because one, people don't harass the business every time they have a question. It can answer it very good, and also you can ask a monthly recurring revenue for the AI chatbot, and it can collect leads. It brings in the information, and you can see, you can even listen to the conversation they had. They also have a reporting dashboard, which I have talked about in the previous model, and it is really great because if you have a website, you can actually see how many people have seen each part of the website, how many people have actually opted in, and you are also giving them a hosting plus maintenance, because a lot of website developers are actually getting money for it. So what is the pricing for it? You can do a $1,000 setup fee and $350 per month ongoing fee, which I really recommend. You can get this kind of money for the smart features that I mentioned: the AI chatbot, the automated follow-ups, the booking, the contact system. So you are giving them a whole system, not just a website. You are not just a developer, you are giving them a custom system which helps their business generate more revenue every month. And you should tell them in your pitch that I'm not just making your website, I'm actually making your website that takes the time away from you, and helps you automate the follow-ups, help you generate leads, and help you generate new monthly revenue. So for month one, if you sold 2 websites, you get $2,000 and $700 monthly recurring revenue. In the second month, you sell 4 websites, and you are getting $2,100 monthly. And for the 4th month, if you actually sold 5 websites and you did it every single month, you can get 4,900 monthly recurring revenue. And with this type of model, you actually make the $10,000 and over it, because you are going to get extra revenue from these websites. Yeah, I just wrote out how much did you generate over the 4 months of the one-time fees, and also the recurring monthly revenue. And the third model is reputation management. I've actually started out with this model for restaurants, and this is really great because your offer is full automation, dashboard, reporting, and review filtering. What is review filtering, you could ask? And it is that every time someone booked in with your smart website into their calendar, you can set up an automation that automatically sends like an SMS or an email to every booked email, and they get a questionnaire if they were happy with the service, and they can rate the service through a 1 to 5 scale. And you can set up in GoHighLevel that the reviews, only the 5-star reviews are shown actually on the website. So basically long term they get better ranking on the Google dashboard, because Google ranks restaurants, hairdressers, and every local business which is registered under Google's profile under how many reviews they are getting. So let's say you are getting a client who is on the 3rd page of Google because he has like 4 reviews, and over the course of 1 year you get them like 150 reviews because it's automated. Every person who gets in contact with their business and uses their service getting a review statement, then you can get them to the first page, which is also generating them more revenue, and their business is more shown into the people's eye, and they only care about this. Alright, and let's talk about the pricing. You can also use a setup fee for this model, $300. You can get between like $100 and $200 per month subscription. I have actually calculated with the $200 method, and if you get 8 clients in your first month and $200 setup fees, $300 setup fees and $200 monthly, you get a total of $4,000. And with this model you need actually 4 months to get to $10,000 monthly recurring revenue. And finally, I'm going to compare these 3 models into each other. So let's talk about the stickiness. How long are clients using your service with reputation management? I think they use it long term because they see the results, and you can actually tell them that the more time that they are working with you, the more reviews are going to get. This is an 8/10 stickiness. Let's talk about the selling smart websites model, which is I think around like a 9/10 stickiness. Nobody turns off their website if the website is optimized for mobile, it is collecting leads, it is getting them a good SEO. Off topic, I've just made a website for like an auto detailing company in one of the city of my country, and I've actually used GoHighLevel to rank his website from like the 3rd page to the top 5, just using SEO, no reputation management or nothing crazy, just SEO. Yeah, and let's talk about the stickiness of Facebook ads. It is really hard for beginners, I think, when you're starting out to make high converting ads and actually get these kind of money. I think it is not easy. I have started it like years ago, and when I actually started, I had clients staying for like 1, 2, 3, 4 months, and it was really hard to not churn them. But after a while, as I got better, I've got actually clients who stay even for more than a year. I am friends with them, I'm going them for cafes, I'm speaking about how we can develop their businesses, how we can generate more leads. We are actually spending in ad spend over like $10,000 per month just for advertisement because they trust me. We are making them drone videos, also videos for Facebook ads, which are converting really well. So I think this model is the best long term if you get good at it. I actually run also Facebook ads and Google ads for companies, but I think Facebook ads is easier, and I am mostly running it for roofers and construction companies. I've actually just got a new client yesterday who pays me really great money to build a website, make Facebook and also Google ads for him, and make a funnel for the advertisement. And yeah, I sold him a package which is more advanced stuff, and yeah, as you get more advanced in the journey, you can sell higher packages. So yeah, that's the 3 models that I recommend for beginners who are starting out. Yeah, these are really great, and you can absolutely achieve over $10,000 with these models, but you need to study, you need to get better. I have free materials, and I will post very consistently in this group to help you grow, to help everybody grow, and yeah, just to have this whole community be more advanced, and everybody I would like to see Vim. Bye bye, and have a nice day.